Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to upgrade or downgrade or reinstall your firmware on Samsung Galaxy J7 with Odin software. So this is my phone, this is model number J700F and Android version 5.1.1. Okay, so if you want to reinstall your software on this phone, first thing that you must do is to go online on internet and go to this site, some firmware, okay, and click on it, and here you must create an account, or if you already have one, just log in and enter your model number. Mine is J700F, and here is my phone, and click on the search button, and from here just select your country, and mine is Malaysia, and select your firmware. Okay, and I will select this firmware, and now just click on regular download and confirm download now. Click on the download button, and now the firmware is downloaded, and here you have the instruction, and of course you must download the Odin software, and here is how to do it. So after you downloaded this, you must unzip the firmware and the Odin. I already did that, and now just open the Odin software. Okay, and you must connect your phone in download mode. To do that, just power off your phone and click power off, and push and hold the volume down button, the home key and the power key all together, and keep holding. Now you must push the volume up button to enter in download mode. And now you can connect your phone to your computer with a micro USB data cable, and wait until the drivers are installed. Now, as you can see, my phone is connected, and now just select your firmware, click on this button, AP button, and here is my firmware. Click on this and click open, and wait a few seconds. Now just click on the start button and wait until the flash is complete. And now the flash is complete. You can disconnect your phone and wait a few seconds. And now it's over. You can do a factory reset or a hard reset from your menu settings, and everything will be okay. So this is very easy. I hope this is useful for you, and have a nice day.